Tonight's energy feels dangerously emotional, and I don't know why. Because somebody here is trying extremely hard not to contact you right now, and I'm seeing someone pick up their phone, type something, stop, delete it, and then stare at your chat again. Fragile. You stole my heart at first sight, handle it with care, and this person is fighting their emotions tonight. And what's shocking is the more they try to distract themselves, the stronger your energy becomes in their mind. Secret love loves you deeply but will never express. And then we see heartbeat. You are my oxygen, impossible to stay alive without you. Oh my god, guys. So if you are in a no contact situation, separation, or emotional confusion, this reading may explain exactly why they can't suddenly stop thinking about you. Quickly like this particular video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Because so many of you people watch these readings silently without subscribing, and comment 222 below to claim this energy before we actually begin. Okay, so let's see. So namaskar everyone, my name is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm quickly shuffling meanwhile so that I have all the cards laid out in front of me, so that I don't have to shuffle in between the reading. That really distracts my thoughts and the flow. Okay, so today's reading feels very late night, energy based. Okay, very late night and energy based, no doubt about it. Quiet, emotional, restless is what I see. Ooh, impulsive, stalker. This feels like the kind of night where somebody cannot sleep properly because thoughts about you keep returning again and again. And I am immediately picking up emotional tension between two people who still care deeply. Okay, I see that happening. Two of Wands, temperance, healing, but communication was either slowed down, stopped communication, because everything became emotionally very complicated here. And spirit keeps showing me someone resisting contact here, not because they don't care, but because reaching out means facing emotions they have been avoiding literally. Okay, this person may appear calm externally, but internally there's chaos tonight. And for some of you, this is someone checking your profile repeatedly. For others, this person is rereading old chats or replaying memories unexpectedly. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. And honestly, your energy feels heavy on their heart tonight. I am very sure about that intuitively as well. If this reading already resonates, quickly like the video and comment they feel me tonight. Okay, comment they feel me tonight. And if you are new here, subscribe, because many people keep returning to these readings but forget to subscribe to my channel. Trust me guys, don't do that. That's my motivation, right? And also for my Indian family, Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi channel now has longer videos there too. Even if Hindi isn't your language, YouTube auto translation can help you understand the messages in your country, in your language, you know. So let's start without a further ado. I'm gonna tap in your energies first in brief. No contact. So you've been emotionally trying to stay strong, is what I feel here. Okay, you've been trying to stay strong emotionally, is what I feel, but spirit shows me moments where you suddenly think about them intensely out of nowhere, and you start feeling their energies, because I feel and sense that you're intuitive. Maybe a tarot card reader watching this particular video right now. Almost emotional waves. Some days you feel detached, then suddenly at night memories return. And I see intuitively you have those power to understand and to tap into the energies as well. You're very intuitive. I feel many of you wonder if this connection was real. Why is there still silence? And I see many of you even taking tarot consultation either through me or through someone else, or watching these videos a lot. You miss emotional consistency, is what I see. Not just romance. You miss feeling emotionally chosen, is what I see. Because of for many of you, this person gave beautiful moments but unstable energy, and that inconsistency exhausted your heart, is what I see. I'm also hearing many of you trying to act okay publicly while privately carrying emotional sadness a lot, and you're trying to heal right now. Especially at night is when I see Taurus very strong, Sagittarius very strong, air energies is very strong, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. But Spirit wants you to know your emotions are not weakness. Your heart simply experienced something meaningful. Okay, your heart actually experienced something very meaningful. Okay, wait, this just became very specific. Okay, very specific, because Spirit is showing me somebody almost reaching out impulsively here. This feels like a late night urge, maybe after hearing a song, seeing your name, dreaming about you, feeling lonely. And I am hearing, should I message them? And this person keeps going back and forth mentally. Comment hype if you feel your person has been thinking about you heavily recently, if you sense. Because this energy suddenly became extremely, extremely active right now. Your person's current thoughts and feelings, what I feel, this person misses emotional closeness with you deeply, like literally deeply. And Five of Swords tells me, I don't think they expected the separation to affect them this much. Their stubbornness caused them a lot. Initially, they may have distracted themselves by being with friends, avoided emotions, focused on work or ego or friends or going out a lot, but silence now is becoming emotionally loud for them, like literally very loud for them, and they are thinking to take an action and break the no contact here, especially at night time. I see regret, not necessarily because the love disappeared, but because they mishandled something emotionally important, and right now they're hanging right in the middle. And the more time passes, the more they replay what really happened. Spirit keeps showing me someone wondering, do they still care about me? And this person fears rejection now because they know your heart was hurt before. And honestly, they are struggling accepting how emotionally attached they feel. They still are to you. I also feel this person senses your emotional distance growing, like literally growing, and that realization scares them. Because earlier they assumed you would always emotionally wait. Okay, why are they holding back right now? You must be wondering what is Neha saying, but they are not approaching. It's been like days. The biggest blockage here is emotional pride with fear and the stubbornness. Why should I approach them first? This is Empress energy. Emotional reassurance. They want to get an emotional reassurance before taking an action. They are scared the conversation may not go the way they hope, because you are glowing and you are healing and they cannot take that. For some of you, they fear they fear confrontation, they fear being becoming vulnerable in front of you, and Spirit keeps saying this person does not know how to communicate emotions maturely sometimes, especially when you are in this Empress mode. Instead of openly saying I miss you, but they are hoping. Aquarius energy, they overthink, delay, observe silently. I also feel guilt here, especially if they know they caused emotional pain, confusion, ghosting, or inconsistency here. And because of that guilt, they hesitate even more. Eight of Cups, Five of Wheels. So, if this reading is resonating deeply, guys, so far, don't forget to like the video, because your engagement genuinely helps these readings reach more people going through emotional confusion and heartbreak right now. And what I'm about to tell you is very important. So, stay till the end of this particular video. This is important. And comment your zodiac sign below. And what exactly you're going through, your situation. I always love seeing the collective energies here together. I love reading the comments as well. So let's see what they are doing behind the scenes here, because I do see this person is emotionally monitoring the connection more than you realize. I keep seeing silent observation. Okay, I keep seeing they are checking stories, they are watching activity, looking for emotional signs from universe, and strangely your silence affects them too, even if they pretend otherwise. Okay, even if they pretend otherwise, for some of you they ask mutual people about you indirectly. For those, they compare new people to you constantly, and I see sleepless nights, silent nights, I see regrets, I see the fear that you have moved on constantly, and it is affecting their mental health. Nobody emotionally matches your energy for them now, and they're literally crying over you. That realization keeps pulling them back toward you mentally even more now. Imagine Nine of Swords and Eight of Swords. They can't move on. They are stuck on you, hung on. They're hung up on you. Overthinking at night is what is happening. Your energy feels strongest around nighttime for this person, and especially when distractions disappear here. Okay, I do feel communication trying to enter here very strongly. Cancer energy, but it feels emotionally very nervous from this person, like someone wanting to test whether the door is still open or not. This may begin subtly. It is not going to be like immediate, but this is going to happen. Nine of wheels and the Five of wands, they're internally conflicted, and they also feel, what if you're talking to someone else, you are single, you're glowing, and they feel that energy, that pull, and they don't know whether you're still okay. And spirit keeps saying this person does not want complete emotional closure with you at all. They want to stay in your life still. They still hope something can be repaired eventually. They are still hoping, the star card. I also feel many of you may intuitively sense communication before it happens. You are very intuitive. I'm saying that time and again. Either you have taken consultation already and you're waiting for it. Dreams, synchronicities, sudden emotional pull, just pay attention to it. You will get the idea when they're about to reach. The advice from my side, please don't abandon yourself emotionally while waiting. Healing process is already going on because we saw temperance. So go ahead, still do that. Your healing matters too. Spirit wants you to stop chasing certainty from unavailable energy, because your peace is sacred here. Very sacred. And honestly, your emotional growth recently is very beautiful. You are learning boundaries while still keeping your heart soft, which is so beautiful. I can so smell it, feel it, and that balance is powerful. I also feel many of you are finally understanding love should not constantly feel emotionally unsafe. If you're going to ask me what is the future of this connection, I would suggest the future still feels emotionally unfinished. This connection carries unfinished conversation, unfinished feelings, unfinished longing. But spirit says the next chapter depends on emotional honesty. And if communication returns, both people must communicate differently this time. You also, I'm suggesting more clarity, more emotional accountability, more consistency, because this connection still has emotional potential, but only if avoidance stops. Emotional conversation is very important here. Emotions connecting is very, important here. I truly feel tonight's reading reached the people who needed emotional reassurance the most, because somebody here is absolutely thinking about you tonight very heavily. And if this reading resonated, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before leaving, because it supports the channel so much and hype this particular video. Memberships are now open for early access to the readings and exclusive content as well, guys. For personal readings, white magic candle spells, and bookings, details are mentioned in my Instagram and WhatsApp. Information is available in the description box below. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi channel for longer readings there too. Before you leave, comment "They can feel me tonight" to claim this beautiful, powerful reading today. And in the next reading, we are going to uncover whether this person's communication will return into real commitment or temporary emotions. So, until then, this is Luna, the Moon Tarot, reminding you that love always returns where it truly, truly, truly belongs. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and thank you so much for watching.